Hello Year 3 and welcome to Lesson 5 of Maths this week. It's Friday. It's 19th of March 2021. So we need to write down our date in our book, and our LO is just like yesterday. It's about giving change. So our LO is to add and subtract money to give change. So give yourself a moment to pause the video and then write the date and the LO down, underline them neatly, and then we can continue. And we'll have a look at the daily starter in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. We've got our 4 different questions there, our 4 different sets of questions. Pause the video now, give those a try, and then when you're ready to check the answers, unpause. We'll have a look at the answers in 3, 2, 1. There we are. So we're putting numbers in order from the smallest to the greatest. So we're going to start with 100, 300, 400, 600, 700, 900. Then 76 add 6 is 82. 100 take away or subtract 31 is 69. 7 times 5, 35. And 14 divided by 2 is 7. What time will it be in 15 minutes? Well, there it shows the little hand on the 6 and the big hand on the 2, which tells us that it's 6:10. It's 10 minutes past 6. So if we add on 15 to that, that would make it here. There you go, 5, 10, 15. That would make it 6:25 or 25 minutes past 6. Okay, well done for having a go at those. Let's have a look at giving change, our learning objective for today. Okay, we're going to work together on some fluency, and this one's quite easy. I think we'll get this after all that we've done yesterday. So it says Mo buys a chocolate bar for 37p. He pays with a 50p coin. How much change will he receive? Okay, so we're going to start here with the price of the chocolate bar, 37, because we're going to find the difference between the price of the chocolate bar and the amount of money that Mo gave over, and he gave 50p. So we need to find the difference between the two there. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to make a couple of jumps to make it easier. We're going to go up 3 pence or 3p. Let's go from 37 to 40p, and then 10p, 40p to 50p. And then what are we going to do? We're going to add them together. That's right. So 3p add 10p is 13p. Excellent. Let's check that. There we go. Mo will receive 13p change, as well as a nice chocolate bar, hopefully. Okay, let's look at the work. If you want to do the green questions, pause the video now and give these a try. If you want to do the yellow questions for fluency, pause the video now and give these a try. Or if you want to do the red chili questions, pause the video now and give these 4 questions your best shot. Okay, pause the video, and we will check the answers to the green, the yellow and the red in 3, 2, 1. There we go, there's the green and the yellow. Remember, you can rewind if you need to. Check what the question was. And the red chili answers. There we go. You can see our jumps on there as well. Okay, let's move on to some reasoning. Okay, here is the green chili question for reasoning. Just the one today. See if you can answer that on your own. Okay. For the yellow chili question, here is your reasoning question. And for the red chili question, here is the reasoning. Unpause when you're ready to check your answers for each one. And here are the answers in 3, 2, 1. Okay, just check that. Obviously with reasoning, the words that you write down won't always be the same, as the answer here, especially when it says children may prove their answer in a variety of ways. You're not going to write that down, are you? But A is correct because 5 take away £3 and 90p equals £1 and 10p change. So you should have something along those lines. So just check those, go back if you need to, and then when you're ready, we'll move on to the problem solving. And we'll have a look at that in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try one together first of all. So it says Sophie bought a ball. She paid with a £10 note. She got £1 and 30p change. Okay, how much did the ball cost? Show you're working. So what I can see here is that on our number line, we've got £1 as a jump, which must mean that this is our change up the top here. We've got £1 and we've got 30p to go in here as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to work backwards again, aren't we? So our £10 we'll put into here, because that's what we got to the end. 10. Yep. And then if we take away the £1, then we have £9. But we still need to take away 30p, don't we? 30p there. So what's £9 if you take away 30p from it? Yes, £8.70. So our change should be, not a change, our change is £1.30, but the ball cost £8.70. Shall we check the answer? Yes, there it is down the bottom. £8.70. There we go. And I did it using the number line that we had there. That's fine. Okay, let me show you your questions. If you want to do the green chili problem solving question, pause the video now. If you want to try the yellow chili question, pause the video now. Or if you want to try the red chili question for problem solving, then pause the video now. And we'll check over those answers in 3, 2, 1. Okay, look, there's various answers for all of them. It's the great thing about problem solving. There's usually more than one way to get a good answer. Okay, just check that example. Maybe even you have used the same example there as they have. But just check that yours adds up to what it's supposed to add up to at the end there. It's the same total, even though you might have a different way of doing it. Okay, well done. Let's move on to our summary. So what have we learned today? Well, we've learned it the last couple of days. We've learned how to give change, and we've learned how to add and subtract amounts of money in different coins. So I'll leave you with this final task. It says use a part-whole model. Do you remember those with the circle, with the total, and then other circles that breaks it up? Yep, part-whole model to solve the problem. Eva buys a train for £6 and 55p. She pays with a £10 note. How much change will she receive? I'll leave you with it. Okay, well done again today. Guys, well done. And come back tomorrow for some more maths.